Hello, Chill Computer Guy here. Check it out. We're in Adobe Bridge. Now, here's the thing. I like the Premiere Pro. I like the After Effects. I even like the Photoshop. Illustrator's not bad, but Adobe Bridge is the biggest piece of shit program. It is so shitty that opening up Bridge is like I need to take a sedative before I can even open Adobe Bridge. It is such a piece of shit program. It's constantly hanging. Sometimes it displays thumbnails, sometimes it doesn't. If you only use it for still images, static images, photos, if you will, it's not bad. But once you start to use it for other media, you know, any kind of non-static media, any kind of MOV file or QuickTime even, you know, any kind of, if you load anything that represents video or motion graphics into Bridge, it shuts down, it hangs, and it makes me just want to break some shit. So that's it. That's the video. Adobe Bridge is the biggest piece of shit program I've ever fucking used in my life. And I've used a shitload of software, going clear back to the Oregon Trail on the Commodore 64. And of all that software, including Gorf and Zaxxon, this is the biggest piece of shit program I've ever fucking used in my entire life. And there's zero improvement through the versions. I mean, it's just every time there's a new update to Bridge, I get excited. I'm thinking maybe something's going to change. But it's the same shitty, such a shitty piece of shit program. Adobe, do something. Do something, please, because this is where all the assets meet. This is when I need to organize and grab assets and put them into, you know, a video editor or whatever. You know, all the assets are here in Adobe Bridge, and once they're here, I open the program and I just want to fucking break some shit. And it's nothing to do with my machine or anything else. It's the piece of shit program. Just delete the entire fucking C++. Just delete the entire code and start from square one, please. Because I'm telling you, it's a fucking mindfuck every time I open this piece of shit program. Please fix it. All right, that's all I got. We'll see you later. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.